Hi, today we're going to learn how to make heliconia, a very exotic and beautiful flower. Material required are crepe paper in yellow, dark green and red. It will be preferable if you could get a green with the lighter color inside like this, double color. Thick wires for the stem, green paint, acrylic paint and some cotton wool. And some tissue paper to wind it around the stem. Cut stencils according to the measurements given. All the measurements are in centimeter. This is the shape of a petal. You need to cut different sizes of this, of the same shape. So the sizes are 11 by 9, cut 2 pieces of that. Then 12 by 9.5, then 13 by 10, then 14.5 by 10 centimeters, then 16 by 12 centimeter and 17 by 12 centimeter again. Cut 2 pieces of the last one. Then you have stamen pieces. This is 8 centimeter by 1.5 centimeter. Cut 12 pieces of this. And on one side it will have jagged edge like this. This is a piece covering the stamen. Cut 6 pieces of this. This is 4 centimeter by 2 centimeter. Now take some green paint and apply a thin line on the edge of each petal like this. And this is how the petal would look after you've colored the edges till here. Now take the stamen strip and apply glue on one side. Keep the lighter green color inside and the dark color outside, and just fold the sides and stick them. Then just open out the top with jagged cuts like this. Take a petal and on the side where you don't have the green paint, stick the 3 stamens on it in the center. So just apply glue on the bottom of the stamen strip and stick it in the center like this. Take a second one and stick this also like this. After you stuck the 3 stamen pieces, take the stamen cover, apply glue on the base and stick this just below the stamen, covering the stamen. Stick stamens in all the petals except the first 2, the smallest petals, and you can stick either 3 stamen or 2 stamen in a petal. Take a piece of tissue paper and fold it in half twice like this. Apply glue on it and wind this around the thick wire. Starting from the top, just wind it around the wire. Now take a strip of crepe paper. I've cut about half an inch wide long strip and stretch it first, and then apply glue on it and wind this around the stem that we've made. So wind it around the stem like this all the way till the end of the wire. Take the 2 smallest petals. First apply glue in one petal all around the lower side. First put the stem that we've made and then put the cotton wool on one side like this, and then just stick the other side over. Now cut a slit on the bottom of the second smallest petal, about half an inch long, like this, and then apply glue on the base. Now stick this just slightly below the first petal. Let the petal fold also, doesn't matter, and stick the sides. You should come at an angle like this. Take the third petal, that is the one slightly bigger than the first two. Apply glue on both on the base and give a slit in the center, about half an inch wide, just like we did before. And again stick this slightly below the first one. And wrap it around. First stick one side and then stick the other, like a cone. And this is how it will look after we stuck the third petal. Now take another petal. I have already cut the center and applied glue on the bottom. And again stick this below the first. So I should just like first put the slit area and then just stick this first, one flap on the base of the previous petal, and then stick the other flap. Comes a cone like this. And this is how it will look. Stick all the petals, the rest of the petals, like this on the stem. And this is how the heliconia flower would look. Now just lift up the stamens a bit of all the petals. Just fold them so that they show. And now I'm going to make the stem of the heliconia. So take two thick wires. Since I don't have very long wire, I'm going to attach two wires and just tie them together. And in the same way as we did for the stem of the heliconia, cover this with tissue paper. Now take a strip of green crepe paper, stretch it, and then apply glue and wind it on the stem that we've just made. After covering more than half of the stem with the green paper, leave the rest first. Attach the flower. So just take the flower and hold it next to the stem and tie it tightly with thin wire. Now wind green tape on the wire. And this is how the finished heliconia would look.